Hey guys, this is GADGETMIX and this is unboxing and review of the Logitech M337 wireless Bluetooth mouse. So I'll be pairing this with my brand new Apple MacBook Air M1, and I bought the red one because it kind of looks cool, but Lenovo does sell it in four colors: black, blue, gray, which is like whitish, and red. So I bought the red one, and this is what it looks like. It looks super cool, and this is Bluetooth, not the wire, not the the one which uses wireless dongle. This was important for me because the MacBook, it lacks any kind of USB ports and do not want to use any dongles whatsoever. So this is my MacBook Air, and I will show you how you can pair it with your MacBook. Inside, all you get is this paper, nothing else. The battery is pre-installed. So here on this envelope, it shows that you must remove a little cable before you start using it. Basically, it prevents the battery drainage, and this is why they've included this paper, and it is compatible with Android, iOS, Mac OS, Windows, of course, and Linux. Basically, it will work with everything and anything out there that supports Bluetooth. If it works with your Android phone, just fine. I mean, I use it with my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra while using it in DeX mode, and it works just fine later on as well. It is not so big. I mean, if it's not a full-size mouse, just like this little Target mouse here, Target's mouse, which is also, by the way, Bluetooth. And as I said earlier, you must remove this white little thing. You must pull it out, and the battery is pre-installed. This Logitech M337 works on various surfaces, from metal cafe tables to tile countertops to your favorite wood desk. But I'll be using it on my mouse pad. You can just move it. You can see that it makes use of a single battery cell, and Lenovo claims it will work for at least 6 months. But I'm a heavy user. I don't think it will work for 6 months. And you can also see the on-off switch. To start pairing, just hold that button and turn it on. Then you can see that the light is flashing and it gets connected right away. Make sure the Bluetooth on your MacBook is on. By default, it's on, so you won't face any problems. For some reason, this keyboard thing popped up for some reason, even though I was not using a Bluetooth keyboard at all. So I thought I had also bought a Mac keyboard, which I had not. So I just closed this window and I just ignored it. I love the curved shape of it. It has rubber grip, which feels comfortable and supportive for your hand, and that lets you keep going for as long as you like. It's very comfortable, and you can see it's very responsive as well. It looks just fine, feels just fine. It has smart controls, easy navigation, and here you can change the tracking speed. I found the default tracking speed to be a bit low, so I made it a little bit faster. So you can see that it works just fine on the MacBook Air M1. It's a must-have for Apple MacBook Air users, because you don't get a full-size port, and to get a real job done, you need a Bluetooth mouse, and I found this to be just fine. It is great. It gets a thumbs up from me. It's cheap and it gets the job done. So buy the Logitech M337 if you own a Mac. That's all about it. Give this video a like and share with your friends, and say subscribe. Bye bye.